Agdaw.
Time check, it's almost 12 and yung flight namin is 4 o'clock. Free check. Sige, go. Galaw. So, update. Nasa plane na kami. Plane. Sa airport na kami. Boarding for... Where are we going?
Wala pa kay boarding eh.
Wait lang. Ha? Tingnan mo na lang itong damit ni Mommy. Para... Yan. Nag-matching kami.
Match.
Mag-green tracker yan siya. Kita mag-green. Tingnan mo.
Yeah. Bongga.
Sige, kahit di ako magalaw, ikaw... So, good morning vlog. This is my outfit for today. How about you?
Yeah.
So I'm wearing my Calvin Klein Uniqlo top and Nueve tank top. How about you?
All sponsored by Michael Leva.
Tingnan natin if kaya ako i-track ng GI Cup. Welcome. Ito mo, store. Kunwari, nasa Acne Studio, so tinan mo. Oh. Palma.
Hello there from the Philippines.
Satisfied. I got what I wanted. Ma, what's your food?
Tom yum.
Tom yum.
Salad.
Salad.
And makeup food.
Fried rice with pork and tom yum soup.
Okay. Mine, I ordered Australian Wagyu beef oyakodon and my all-time favorite in Thailand, Shat Ramli. Guys, welcome to my vlog. Sorry I wasn't the one holding the camera. I'm now the driver we're in Asian City. Here in Bangkok. Raise your hands, Ma.
Ikaw ba ka? Kaya?
Hindi ba? Yung isang picture pa galing sa phone. No buff alam. Ano kaya na kaya nila? Ay, Mami, majestic sa loob po. If gusto niyo dyan ako, majestic.
Debbie.
เปิดบริการทุกวันย้ำชั้น B และชั้น 4 ประโยค 2 เท่านั้นคำเตือนไม่ขยับเวลาเดินบนส่วนข้างไม่ขยับ
Exhibition journey.
Doors are closing. Please keep clear.
Ratchabasong Hello guys, say hi to my vlog. We're here day 3 in Bangkok. My outfit for today is rhinestone, everything. Because why not? So Rockwell tayo ngayon. Wala na po yung ulang mag-vlog guys. Kasi wala man sila ilabot sa collect. One time naman ka makita. Oh, mag-English na lang ko per appropriate. Kasi they only see you once in this place. This place too. The world is wide. The world is wide. Why? Tamang pag-isip. They might have not pricey necklace. This one.
Yeah.
What they won't know, what they can't ruin. So the di ba matama yun tama yun na quote. If they don't know anything, they can't ruin anything. So magsabi ka na pagtapos na. Yeah, but there's no store kasi Comes de Carcon here. You have
Anime. Shobe, let's go. Asa si Johnny para malaman mo.
hi vlog.
Hi!
In Platinum area right now. Medyo fluid aking hands, so I can vlog. Asa mga baog sila today. Baog burat og bilat. Go.
We are here on the
Don't hulog the
Thailand. Mommy!
Si Ama.
Ama!
Sa nag-vlog.
It's so cold in here.
It's so very hot, but I like hot.
YouTube.
Hindi ako pwede magpasabay sa karoon. It's too strict.
Where's her Calvin Klein with brief na daw daan?
I'm hanapin the Calvin Klein.
You show a picture. This is mom. Nag-mix siya with the denim clothes. Si Aya and si Kuya. Yay! Back kay Tony Gonzaga. Isipin nyo na mabuti. The mga Changi. They're in a super cheap price, but if you like look go deeper, you can actually see yung mga prices na nasa mall. It's like times 10, but it's just the same quality as the Changi. So, depende lang talaga. So, platin oh my god. Nilumad na ko here. Gang is back. Shop, say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
What are you doing? Guys, now we're eating with family. The plan. I'm Mark Wahlberg. This is my gang.
Arrested.
Tapos, siya mo isa.
Way of living.
Oh, yes.
Holiday na.
Nasa Fridays na.
Para na ito.
Ano? Buga! Buga! With my Alaya shoes. Food. Maluto pa siya. Yan. Oh. Say hi, ma. Last day. Dito na siya naningkamot mag-exercise sa Bangkok na. So, 14,000 steps. And OOTD. Ikaw, name mo lahat. This is our lunch.
This is our lunch because we ate our breakfast 9 o'clock in the morning.
8 mo ko ginising.
That's nice. I hope we have
Good food.
good food here because actually we don't know it tastes like Thailand food, but I think this is a Chinese food.
Singaporean na siya.
This is a different restaurant, but I hope it's not the Thai thing. Anyway, have a good day, everyone.
Have a good day, everyone. Switch. Your friends know with me? Pepper lunch.
So yummy!
Bakit di mo ginamix? Abnormal ka. Gusto niyo ipawa ng lights dito or hindi? Niyo, Kuy, maas mo. Kuy, Johnny. Maas mo if mawa ng lights
Can you
dito.
turn on the lights upstairs?
Nabi-
Ayan, downstairs.
Hindi.
The lights upstairs.
No, this one.
Yeah. Ito ikaw.
Sawadika! Pauli na mo. And we're leaving 8:55 in the evening. And approximately we're arriving Davao by 2:30 a.m.
Say to your fans at the Jamie, ano masasabi mo?
Thank you so much for watching.